Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to another video. This is part 3. Before we can move to strategies and other discussion, I'll have to individually introduce to these special indicators. तो आज जिसके ऊपर हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे on the basic, that is V1 asset master. So let's go to indicators and let me remove everything from my chart. And I'll go to indicators. जब आपको access दिया जाएगा, if you have given the access, if you go to invite only के अंदर SD Rainbow Wave version 1, ये जो asset master दिख रहा है, this is the tester. किसी के पास इसका access नहीं है except me. SD Rainbow Wave V1 is actually the indicator. Once you click it, it will ask for some confirmation on the inputs. First input is select the setup, where you select a particular setup, depends on what you will be trading. Next is relative strength index, RS index. This is specially for stocks, to compare the stocks in comparison how they are performing to an index like Nifty 500, S&P 500, Nifty, FMCG sector or particular IT sector. Anything you can choose from a long list. And analytical table size, how the size will be, that is also you can choose. So I'll do large for now, so that आप सब लोग अच्छे से देख पाए, you all can see. Now I have applied it. It is possible that the chart might come like this. If there is blank, that means you'll have to adjust the chart. You can either go to this right corner, click auto, fits data to screen, or you can click this button as well, reset chart view, or you can simply press Alt R in your table. This is weekly chart of S&P 500. और हम लोग जो setup select किए हैं, that is the fountain of gold. This is actually the mother setup. This is the core setup बोलिए. This is the heart of this fountain of gold. This is the mother setup. बाकी जो चीज additional setup, उसमें add-on features किए गए. So if you are in the index, like if you are evaluating S&P, Nifty 50, or any kind of equity indices or any asset class, you can choose fountain of gold, currency, commodity, indices, etc. When you are choosing index, you can choose fountain of gold or you can choose index futures. अभी जो add-on features है with index futures, you have a lower table. नीचे एक table है जो आपको different sectors आप choose कर सकते हैं to have a quick look, or you can do, if you don't like sectors, you can select international indices as well. Up to 12 different security आप एक साथ लगा के इनका strength monitor कर सकते. Okay. And once the indices के लिए, if you do not like the lower table, if you feel like it's clogging up का dashboard, what you can do is you can switch off the table. Strength table, if you put table off, it will switch it off. If you want this table to be gone as well, you can switch it off. If you want the table is too big, maybe you are watching on the mobile phone, then you should choose tiny, मतलब बहुत छोटा. Then the table is going to become very small, more suited to your mobile screen or iPad screens. If you're not sure, you can put it as auto. So it will automatically choose it. So currently I'll keep it a bit large so that all of you can see these tables. Now, if you see meet bullish criteria, meet bearish criteria. Okay. So let me go to the settings and let's make the bull factor score at 3 because the score is at least 4. Bull factor 3, and let's check out Alt A, bull factor alert. तो मैंने एक बुल फैक्टर अलर्ट दे दिया. देखिए बुल फैक्टर क्रॉसिंग योर लेवल. तो क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बुलिश क्राइटेरिया 4 है, तो जैसे ही मैंने 3 डाला तो ऑटोमेटिकली अलर्ट आ गया. सो इन ए डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू it is put as 10 bull factor, but we can change the bull factor कि कौन सा alert मुझे चाहिए. Overall, this is a 12 factor setup. ये alert के साथ we can come right back into the market. ये भी एक काम का alert है. तो थोड़ा सा भी strength increase हुआ, you can press the next level of bull alert and you can come back, see the chart. The alert can do wonders for you. Now, let's look at further. नीचे के जाते हैं हम लोग. अब forex करेंसी जो लोग स्पेशली दिस इज द टेबल जो इंडिया में करेंसी ट्रेडिंग को फोकस करके मैंने बनाया था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ लेटेस्ट डिसीजन बाय आरबीआई एंड डायरेक्टिव टू द ब्रोकर्स, currently currency trading is on halt in India for speculators. Only hedger log जो है, they only can participate in the market. So currency largely है, you can maximum हम लोग weekly पे trade नहीं करते. It's largely we can do on the daily. So and overall ये जो मीटर है, ये मीटर भी बहुत helpful है to take a look at. Yeah. किसी भी दिन से क्रॉस हो रहा था. सो इट शो इट्स एक्चुअली अ रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ मीटर. करेंसी का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल स्ट्रेटजी है रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ पेयर ट्रेडिंग. जो स्ट्रेंथ में जो पेयर में स्ट्रेंथ दिख रहा है, लाइक करंटली GBP is weak and Japanese yen is strong, so I look to short GBP and long Japanese yen. To do that, that means I need to have a chart of GBP JPY. So GBP, JPY, all of these are tradable, completely tradable. So this is like, as I said, GBP weaker. So this is a sell opportunity, like you see, a sell signal. और ये सब सिग्नल बहुत पहले आ जाते हैं राइट टाइम पे, तो हम लोग को अर्ली एंट्री एग्जिट मिल जाता है इन द रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ स्ट्रेटजी, जहां पे लाइक यूएस डॉलर इज फॉलिंग एंड गोल्ड इज राइजिंग. So I'll go for XAU USD, long gold and short dollar. So this is currency का जो है, this is a wonderful pair था. और था means currently since India में हम लोग INR बंद है तो अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, because this was the only meter relative strength meter which included INR. There was no another type of currency strength meter which includes Indian rupee. Now, after the forex, we have commodity. Commodity का जो meter है, this is not a relative strength meter. Only currency is the one that is the relative strength meter. Commodity is commodity is more of a strength meter. This is also helpful in booking profit. Like one of the trade that I'm in on the commodity, that is gold. gold on the long side, and aluminum zinc I have been on the short side, and I have been booking profit as well. But anyway, that I'll discuss in the commodity video में हम लोग discuss करेंगे. So ये जो setup है, आप settings में जाके go to settings, you are selecting the commodity. That is the setup to trade commodities. Now we have option setup as well, but option के लिए हम लोग का अलग setup ही बन चुका है. You can see this directly gives out some option ideas. बट ऑप्शन के लिए हम लोग का अलग सेटअप ही बन चुका है, ऑप्शन मास्टर. तो ऑप्शन मास्टर अप्लाई करना सही होगा rather than using यहाँ का जो ऑप्शन सेटअप अवेलेबल है. इट्स बेसिकली शोज यू द सिमिलर रीडिंग, बट वहां पे और बेहतर तरीके से एप्लीकेबल है विद द अलर्ट्स एंड अदर्स. नेक्स्ट जो आता है कैश स्टॉक्स वीकली. ये जब हम लोग वीकली चार्ट में होते हैं कोई भी स्टॉक्स का, I prepare my list looking at this. You can say Mark-Sans. हम लोग ये लिस्ट प्रिपेयर करते हैं कि every week I scan thousands of stocks and prepare the list. ये कैश स्टॉक्स वीकली सेटअप, वीकली चार्ट में, not once again, not in the daily chart, the weekly chart में ये सेटअप को अप्लाई करना है कैश स्टॉक्स वीकली. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर पर्टिकुलरली टीएमपीवी जो स्ट्रेटेजी है उसके लिए चाहिए वीकली चार्ट. इवन इफ यू आर ट्रेडिंग इन 125 minutes chart, then our upper time frame in the cream de la cream strategy, it is also the weekly chart. So weekly charts are important. And for our particularly TMPV strategy, we need the weekly chart and this cash stocks weekly setup for stock selection. Then we have cash stocks less than weekly setup. I'll go later on to the individual components in future videos. So cash stocks less than weekly we have. You'll see the above meter also changes. Meter में थोड़ा change होता है. And नीचे एक strength table आ जाता है, similar one which can show you the different sectoral strength. You can switch on and switch off the meter as you see fit. Now after cash stocks weekly, we have stock futures. Stock future trading is very risky. So scanning के लिए to select the stock future that we are going to trade in 125 minutes, we have another factor, that is the power balance. So stock future में stock selection के लिए हम लोग ये power balance score को इस्तेमाल करेंगे. I'll come to the future when I discuss about the strategies what we are doing. Now, if you look at these are my specialized candles. बहुत ही स्पेशल कैंडल है, इनका पावर जो लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं आप देख चुके हैं. ब्यूटीफुल कैंडल दे आर. नाउ सपोज स्टिल दिस इज ओनली अ टाइप ऑफ कैंडल. दिस इज नॉट द ओनली कैंडल जो सक्सेसफुल होगा, बिकॉज देयर आर लाइन चार्ट्स, कैंडलस्टिक्स चार्ट. एनी वन ऑफ देम इज गुड, but each of them has their own weakness, pros and cons, some advantage and some disadvantage. Now, if you, these candles basically in my setup shows the price action. But suppose you are more comfortable with normal regular candlesticks, then select the regular candlesticks, but never ever apply them on these candles. If you want to put actual price like the current price, you must use the line chart. Never ever use candlestick charts. Let's go candle chart. ऐसे कभी मत इस्तेमाल कीजिए, लाइन चार्ट इस्तेमाल कर सकते. If you are planning to use candlestick chart with the rainbow, then go to the settings and select normal candlesticks. So setup is going to adjust to the normal candlesticks where a separate kind of trading signal is available. Look at this awesome run since the trading signal. So this way setup is going to adjust. So you will retain the advantages of the fountain of gold. Several advantages. The only thing you are going to change is the price action. If you feel more comfortable with the normal candlestick. Even in our intraday trading, we do recommend looking at the normal candlestick as well. Now there is another setup to look at the normal candlesticks. Let's go to indicators. Let's apply SD Rainbow V2. And V2 candle, you see fountain of gold, same, the mother setup, it is no change. You have cloud basic. Once we have cloud basic, you apply. And you switch off the asset master. Now you have another kind of a setup within, which is more favorable with the candlestick pattern, but will retain the key components of the candlestick, of the fountain of gold. Only price action change ho jata. So this is a basic introduction to SD Rainbow Wave V1 or the SD Rainbow Asset Master. I hope जो regular user hai, this video is going to help you all. All the best from my side as always, and happy trading.